Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Data Loader in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here we can find this Salesforce help to show us how to install our data loader. If you want to check this page, you can just type Salesforce data loader and you will find our this page. So from here you can or the install path or whatever you can find your data loader. So basically if we go to our installation guide, we can see that we need these requirements. So if you don't have already a GDK 17 version or the version 17 of a GDK, you can just click or search for a Java runtime environment of a 17 version and you will need to have it in your machine. It can be in Eclipse, Zulu, or any other GRE. And after that, you will need to have the Salesforce data loader that you would find in their website, and you will need just to click on download this release, and basically you will find this zip, so as we can find in this guide. So after you have in your GDK installed, you will need just to have the data loader. So as you can see, you will need just to unzip it, and I'm just going to click on download and wait for the download to finish, and this would be the content of our data loader. So all we need to do is just to click on the data loader.bat and the script will start running automatically and we will be able to start installing our data loader. So here, as we can see, there is the install.bat and there is the jar, but don't care about anything else. Just double click on the install.bat and we will have the script that will start running, and until it finishes you will have your data loader that has been installed successfully in your machine. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.